Welcome to your free English lesson online. This week, one of my students had a question. She asked, what's the difference between when and if in the English language? When is used in cases where we are certain about something. It is definite. If is used in cases where we are uncertain. Things are still just a possibility. So what does this mean? Let's look at an example. This sentence, if I go to New York City, I will visit the Empire State Building. By saying if I go to New York City, what I mean is that I have no definite plans to go to New York City. It's just an idea. Maybe I will go, maybe not. And probably there are no travel arrangements. I haven't set a date or booked a hotel or a flight. It's just an idea. But if I say, when I go to New York City, I will visit the Empire State Building, saying when I go suggests that I have definite plans to go to New York City. Maybe I've made travel arrangements or I'm planning to make travel arrangements. And on my trip, I will visit the Empire State Building. Also, whether a person uses if or when can tell us about how they are thinking. For example, if this woman said, if my English improves, I can get a better job. By using if, this suggests she isn't really sure that her English will improve or not. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. She's not sure of her commitment. Maybe other things could keep her from studying. Compare that to this person who says, when my English improves, I can get a better job. By using when, he's saying that he is sure his English will improve. He is committed to making it better, and he will do whatever it takes. I recommend when you're talking about your goals and plans in interviews, you use when and will to talk about your goals. If can also be used to introduce conditions. For example, if this father tells his son, you can drive if you promise to be careful, being able to drive, the condition is the son has to promise to be careful. Or in this example, you can go to the playground if you finish your homework. And we see a boy here on the playground. If mom says this, it means that the son can only go to the playground if the homework is finished. The mother has set a condition. So that's it. But what about you? Do you have a question about English? If so, tell me about it in the comments. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, thank you.